Assalamu alaikum students, Zahra Hashmi, your English teacher is here. I hope you all are doing great at home and studying as well. In today's lesson, we will be learning how to make sentences. But first, let's learn what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that tells one complete thought. So sentences are meaningful, they have a beginning, they have an end, and they convey a complete thought, a complete message. Jane, happy, book. Is this a sentence? It's a group of words. But does it convey a complete thought? It doesn't mean much. Jane, happy, book. Jane is happy reading a book. Now, this is a sentence because it's conveying one complete thought. And students, you must also remember a simple sentence begins with a capital letter. Simple sentence must have an end mark, like Jane is reading a book. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop and end mark. That shows that sentence has finished. So never forget your capitalization or full stops. Dog running and color of dog is brown. A brown dog. It's a group of words. But is it a sentence? It doesn't make much sense. A brown dog is running. Now this makes sense. It is a sentence. A brown dog is running. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, an end mark. And we are using is here, a small helping word which helps us in making sentences. Kids playing. Kids playing the garden. Is this a sentence? I don't think so. Kids are playing in the garden. Now this is a sentence conveying one complete thought. And here we're using another small word that helps us in making sentences. Are. In this lesson, we're going to learn about is, am, and are, where to use them, and how they help us in making sentences. Is and am is used for one. Are is used for more than one. I'll discuss it and explain it to you further with examples, but first, do you remember the pronouns? She is used for a girl, he is used for a boy, it is used for one thing or one animal. And whenever we are using he, she, or it in the sentence, we use is because is used for one. They is used for two or more than two persons. We is used for yourself and someone else. So essentially for two or more than two persons, in which one of the person is you, and you is used whenever you are talking to someone else. And whenever we are using they, you, or we in a sentence, we use small helping word, are. And what did I tell you? Are is for more than one. I. I is used whenever we are talking about our very own self. And with I, we use am. I am. For example, I am happy. I am sad. So in both sentences with I, we have used am. Without the helping words am in both the sentences, I happy and I sad. But incorrect. He is smart. He, one. And for one we use is. She is pretty. She is for one girl and for one we use is. It is hot. It for one thing and for one we use is. You are funny. I just told you whenever you are using you, use are, the helping word. They are eating food. They is for more than one. And for more than one, we use are. We are sleepy. We is used for more than one. And for more than one, we use are. He is smart. This is correct. But we can also write Ali is smart. So when you're making sentences, there is no compulsion that you should use a pronoun. You can use noun, whatever you like. She is pretty. We can also write Fiza is pretty. Both are correct. So it's your choice. You want to use a pronoun or noun. Up to you. Let's practice. Baby, the baby, cute is am or are. Baby is one. For one we use is. The baby is cute. Cats playing. The cats playing is am or are. For more than one we use are. Yes, you're right. You're getting hang of it. Kids happy. They happy is am or are. Do you remember is for one and for more than one we use are. They are happy. Girl one. I going to school is am are. Think is for one. But there's I in it as well. And with I we use am. I am going to school. Did you get it right? Now I have a homework assignment. There, there are 5 words: likes, play, van, girl, mother. And I want you to write these words on your notebook and make sentences of your own using these words. Can you do it? I hope you'll be able to do it. Please send your completed homework to me at zahrahashmi83@gmail.com. That's all for today. Have a great day.